What if I told you that you've already achieved financial wins, big ones, without even realizing? These hidden milestones are shaping your financial future without you even noticing. These milestones not only deserve celebration, but also offer crucial insights into your financial journey. Let's uncover them, one by one. And trust me, by the end of this, you'll feel more financially accomplished than ever before. Subscribe the Wealthy channel and let's dive in. Number 1. Unlocking your first $10,000 net worth. Achieving a $10,000 net worth marks a significant financial milestone, often unnoticed but crucial in your journey to financial stability and growth. It's not just a number, it signifies discipline, resilience, and smart financial decisions that accumulate over time. Reaching a $10,000 net worth is more than just a financial figure. It represents a mindset shift towards wealth building. It proves your ability to save, invest wisely, and avoid common pitfalls that derail financial progress. If you've not achieved yet, start by creating a realistic budget that includes savings goals. Automate your savings to ensure consistency, and prioritize paying off high-interest debts to free up funds for investments. Start small, think big. Begin with achievable savings goals that gradually build up over time. Number 2. Maxing out your retirement contributions. Most people think of retirement savings as a future problem. But what if I told you that maxing out your retirement contributions is one of the smartest wealth-building moves you can make right now? It's not just about saving for later. It's about using tax advantages, employer matches, and compound growth to build a future where money works for you. The biggest financial regret people have: not saving enough for retirement. Most people delay saving for retirement because they think they have time. But here's the harsh truth. Time is either your greatest asset or your worst enemy. Imagine being 65 and realizing you need to keep working because you didn't take small, simple steps earlier. Your future self is depending on you. Don't wait until it's too late to save. Retirement isn't an age, it's a financial number. Hit it early, and you work by choice, not necessity. Number 3. You're not afraid to check your bank account. Most people don't realize this, but the simple act of checking your bank account without anxiety is a hidden financial milestone. It means you're in control of your money rather than avoiding it out of fear. Think about it. How many people ignore their balance, hoping their spending somehow works out? Avoiding your finances is like ignoring your health symptoms. By the time you have to check, the damage is already done. Make checking your finances a daily habit. Ignoring your finances doesn't make problems disappear, it makes them worse. Knowing your money flow puts you in control instead of feeling lost. Financial clarity reduces stress and improves decision-making. Think of your bank account like the fuel gauge in a car. Would you drive across the country without checking your fuel levels? No. Yet, so many people try to drive through life without ever checking their financial tank until they run out. Number 4. Escaping the debt trap. Paying off or avoiding high-interest debt is one of the most underrated financial milestones. It's not just about getting rid of a bill. It's about buying your freedom back. Most people don't realize how crippling debt can be until they're drowning in it. High-interest debt, like credit cards, payday loans, and personal loans, acts like a financial black hole, pulling your wealth away faster than you can earn it. If you've paid off or never fallen into high-interest debt, you're already ahead of millions who are stuck in the cycle. Instead, live below your means, use cash or debit for purchases, and prioritize paying off high-interest loans aggressively. High-interest debt steals your future. Eliminating it is the ultimate power move. The faster you pay off debt, the sooner you can build real wealth. Number 5. Transitioning from consumerism to wealth building. In a world of constant upgrades and depreciating assets, shifting focus from material goods to wealth-building assets marks a significant milestone. Instead of spending on items that lose value, investing in appreciating assets like stocks or real estate is a game changer. This shift signifies a mindset geared towards long-term financial growth and stability. Take Emma, for example. She used to blow her salary on luxury handbags and weekend getaways. One day she realized she had nothing to show for years of hard work. She started investing in index funds, cut unnecessary expenses, and within 5 years, built a 6-figure portfolio. Today, she has the freedom to travel without financial stress, while her old friends are still struggling. Build a portfolio that generates income and appreciates in value, laying the foundation for lasting financial security. Number 6. Generating passive income, exceeding your earned income. Imagine waking up and realizing that even if you don't work today, your bank account still grows. That's the moment you've escaped the rat race, when your passive income exceeds what you earn from a job. Most people are trapped in the cycle of trading time for money, but the rich focus on building income streams that pay them whether they work or not. If you've started earning from real estate, stocks, royalties, or a side business without constant effort, congratulations. You're closer to true financial freedom than most people ever get. Relying only on a paycheck. Most people think job security means financial security until layoffs, burnout, or unexpected expenses hit. Shift your mindset from earning to owning. Instead of spending every dollar, start investing in income-generating assets. Wealth isn't built by working harder. It's built by making money work for you. Relying only on a job is financial risk, not security. Passive income is the key to freedom. More time, more choices, more life. Number 7. You've created financial boundaries. Financial boundaries protect your wealth. If you've ever said no to money-draining requests, you've secured your future. You declined a bad financial deal. You stopped lending money to unreliable friends. You enforced a personal spending limit. They fear saying no, leading to financial stress from people-pleasing. Saying no is a money skill. If you've ever protected your finances from unnecessary losses, you've already mastered it. Number 8. You've prioritized health. What's the point of making millions if you're too sick to enjoy it? Most people chase money at the cost of their health, pulling all-nighters, eating junk, and ignoring exercise, only to spend their wealth later trying to buy back their health. If you've started taking your health seriously, exercising, eating better, and managing stress, you've already hit a huge financial milestone without realizing it. A healthy body means fewer medical bills, better energy to build wealth, and most importantly, more years to enjoy financial freedom. Start seeing health as your number one investment. Health is your greatest wealth. Protect it like your money. A strong body and mind boost productivity, making you more money. Neglecting health today leads to expensive medical bills tomorrow. Think of your body like a bank account. Small deposits of good health habits today pay off with years of wealth and freedom. But if you keep overdrawing with stress, junk food, and no sleep, bankruptcy is inevitable. Which account are you growing? Recognize and celebrate these achievements. They demonstrate your commitment to financial security and pave the way for a prosperous future. As we bid farewell to these discussions, let us carry all the lessons learned and the wisdom gained into our own financial journeys. If this video resonated with you, like it, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe for more wisdom. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us today. Our wealthy discussion will continue in the next video. Until then, take care.